Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the first experiment in our compiler lab today. So basically the first experiment is all about token separation. When we enter a particular language, we'll identify each token and print the number of tokens as well. So let's take a look at the coding first. Okay, so in the beginning we initialize arrays for keywords such as int, float, double, and for operators such as the addition, subtraction, etc., punctuations, and IDs and constants. So we initialize all these arrays first, and next we give this int k is equal to 0, op is equal to 0. We'll use that for counts later. I'll explain more later. Next we use the scanner to get the input string from the user. Next we'll use the split function to separate each token. And so how does this program actually work is basically using for loop. We use for loop to check the length first of the language we entered, and it checks for each identifier, each token actually. So we use the for loop, and next if ARR of I, that's the language we entered, is equal to, let's say for the keyword, key bracket j, and it'll check whether it's already initialized in the array before, and if it is, it prints that particular keyword. And same function, same for loop is used for the to identify operators, punctuations, identifiers, and constants. And if the last part, will print this if none of the tokens are identified. We'll use if flag is equal to 0, then it'll print that particular concept we've entered. So lastly, it's the when in the for loop we also increment for first the keyword, if it identifies as a keyword, so we give k++ increment function, so that's to count the number of keywords. Same for all the other tokens as well. So in the end, it'll print the number of keywords, operators, punctuation, constants, and at the end the number of tokens, total number of tokens. So I'll run this program so you can have a look. Okay, here we enter the string. Okay, so this is the particular string I entered. Next, okay, so the program is run successfully. So here we can see the identifiers, operators, constant, and at the end the number of keywords, operators, and at the end the number of tokens is printed. So that's all for the first experiment. Thank you.